So what is that one thing that you expect from your colleagues or your faculties who teaches over here as well? What is that one unique thing that you always expect and you make them do at your academy for the benefit of students?
So the only thing that I wanted to do is I wanted to produce next generation leaders for the good governance. That is the only objective that I have.
That's a wonderful statement indeed. That's hats off to you, sir. No, talking to you, I would put it like this, a visionary person, because I have been observing you for some time, a visionary person with great amount of knowledge, and the kind of attitude you show is very simplified. It's very simple. So that again makes people understand the kind of person you are, because I've heard many candidates also telling that when they come for the interview program to you, the way you deal with them, the way you address with them, that shows the simplicity no matter whatever we achieve. So that is indeed a great thing, sir, that I truly learned from you also.
Yeah,
it's a pleasure that I could be a part of the organization as well. And I'm very happy, sir. Very happy to associate. Thank you so much, sir.